Kaisi insulated repair mat, and I'll explain what this is. It comes in a box like this, and you take it out and it's rolled up like this with these neat little Velcro straps on. So why would you need something like this? If you're working with electronics, especially discrete electronics, you definitely don't want static electricity around, and this comes with a grounding strap. I've got a project I'm about to do here on replacing the control panel on one of my 3D printers, and this is going to be an ideal application for it because, get rid of this box, get this unrolled here, and you're probably thinking, oh, that's going to stay all rolled up and curled, and no, they don't. These silicone mats will just lay right down. Got a little cardboard core in it, don't need. So you can lay this out. These straps out of the way. And you have a whole bunch of little compartments to put parts and tools and different screws, and you can keep them all in individual spots if you want, and I'll kind of give you a close. I'll hold it up here so you can see all these compartments in there. So if you're taking something apart, it's got a lot of little screws and a lot of different little parts. You can kind of keep track of them. These are all numbered, and you can put all of your screws for each operation in there. And there's also a couple little magnetic things over here to hold things. Touchpad, back shell, tools, supplies, parts. So I'm going to get going here on this other project, and you can kind of see what the importance of this is. It's also real good when you're soldering. If you happen to drip solder on here, you're not going to burn the table or anything else. It just solidifies. You can pop it off with your finger. Hardly anything sticks to this. Well, there is something underneath it. A piece of filament from the last 3D printer project. And static. So there we are. Now I'll get my printer up here and get to tearing it apart. My Tarantula Pro 3D printer here had a little accident. I dropped it, so I guess it's on me. It landed on the front corner over here by the control knob to go up and down the menu, and although it still kind of sort of sometimes works, you really got to fool with that knob to get it to do anything. So I ordered another control panel right here from TiVo, and it took about 3 weeks to get it, but of course it came from China. But I need to get this replaced on here, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'll kind of guide you through it. It's pretty simple. You don't really need to take the printer apart. If I lay it on its side or on its back, I can get to everything. I'm putting the old one back on there. Board. My problem is this pot right here. This is not working correctly anymore. Okay, we're all put back together here. We'll power it up and see what happens. Better work. Yellow screen comes on. Yeah, that works much better now. So there's a little 2-in-1 video demonstration on this Kaisi, I think is the way you pronounce it. This anti-static silicone work mat. These things are absolutely fantastic. I do have another one that's much smaller than this. It's in the basement of the house there where I work on my computers and so on. So I'm going to keep this one up here in the loft for things like this. So anyway, if you'd like to get one of these mats, I'll put a link in the description on where to get it on Amazon. And once again, this was provided to me to demonstrate, and by golly, I just did that. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the loft above the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.